If you're having trouble projecting sound in the CWCs, there are 3 places that are good to check for mute. The first place is the sound mute button at the bottom right of the screen. Make sure the horn doesn't have the red cross through it, and make sure that the program volume is up. The second place is on the desktop. In the system tray, look for the little speaker and make sure that guy doesn't have a red cross through it. And finally, make sure your projector is not muted. You can't project sound and not video, or video and not sound.
You're in Tallahassee, the capital city of Florida and the Southland. And it's there, the Southland.